Good morning students. In previous YouTube link I had explained you English lesson number 3 school breaks up. So what we have learnt in our lesson? Students चलो जल्दी से quick revision करते हैं, right? Who is in the story? A boy, Swaminathan. What he was doing? He was writing his paper. What was his exam today? He was having a Tamil exam. किसकी एग्ज़ाम थी? तमिल एग्ज़ाम की. So in our story we had seen Swaminathan, he was writing his paper. What was the last question of his paper? That Swaminathan have to write a moral. एक स्टोरी का moral लिखना था कि that what we have learned from the story. The story was about the Brahmin and the tiger who is having a gold bangle. So students, we had seen Swaminathan was thinking for the moral of the story and later on he had completed his exam paper. He had completed his exam paper half an hour before only. कब तक ख़त्म किया था उसने? 4:30 के टाइम तक फिनिश कर लिया था. And exam time was 5 o'clock. It means what? Swaminathan had completed half an hour ago. Then what Swaminathan was saying? What Swaminathan wishes to do? He was thinking that now my exam is completed and he wanted to go out of the class, out of this examination hall. And then after he noticed that supervisor, that is teacher, he was observing Swaminathan. What did Swaminathan do? Like आप childrens करते हो, जैसे ही टीचर ने देखा अपना पेपर ऐसे से हिलाते हो, yes, you pretend that you are writing or you are busy. In the same way, Swaminathan ने भी कैसे pretend किया? Oh, I am busy, I am writing something, right? Now come to the next part. He had looked at the clock again, thinking that it must be nearly 5 now. Now Swaminathan क्या सोच रहा था? चलो अब इतना टाइम हो गया, 5 o'clock would be almost. Okay? So Swaminathan, and later on the time was 10 minutes past 4:30. It means what was the time? 4 o'clock बजकर कितने मिनट हो रहे थे? 40 minutes. Because 10 minutes, only just 10 minutes was passed. He saw 2 or 3 boys giving up their papers and going out. Now students, come to the next side of your page of your book, page number 33. So Swaminathan ने क्या देखा? Some 2 or 3 students, they are submitting their answer sheets and going out and felt happy. He briskly folded the paper and wrote on the flap the elaborate inscription, Tamil Tamil W.S. Swaminathan, first form, A section, Albert Mission School, Malgudi, South India, Asia. The bell rang in 2s and 3 boys came out of the hall. So what did happen? उसने देखा कि already 2 or 3 boys, they have submitted their papers. He had also written something on his paper and he had also submitted. And just on the bell rang. Yes, exam लिखते वक्त ऐसे bell बजती है ना, that your time is up. And in the same way the bell rang and 2 or 3 boys, they came out of the examination hall. What have you written for the last question? Swaminathan asked a classmate. Now you can see your picture. He is Swaminathan. Now he is asking to his friends, what you have written? Last वाले question का क्या आंसर लिखा? Which? The moral question. Don't you remember what the teacher said in the class? Love of gold cost the Brahmin his life. So what his friend is saying? कौन सा question? Which one? The moral question. You don't remember the answer? Who is asking? Friend is asking to friend is speaking to Swaminathan. You don't remember what was the moral? Love of gold cost the Brahmin his life. Where was gold there? Swaminathan objected. Now see, Swaminathan, what did he objected? अरे gold कहाँ था? There was only a gold bangle. How much have you written for the question? 1 page, said the classmate. Now you can see your 2 classmates, right? So the one classmate is saying कि full story में, full paragraph में, or you can say it as a story, what was there? There was only a gold bangle. And tell me, how much answer did you have written? 1 page, said the classmate. अब दोनों classmates से एक ने कहा क्या कहा कि I had written 1 page for the last answer. Swaminathan did not like this answer. He had written only a line. What? You should not have written so much. A little later, he found Rajam and Sankar. Well, boys, how did you find the paper? Now Swaminathan, he was agree with the answer. No. उसने बोला अरे एक क्वेश्चन के लिए इतना फुल पेज. No, you have written very wrong. I would not write that much, or you should not write that much, like this Swaminathan replied. And later on, his two friends Rajam and Sanskar came. What did Swaminathan ask? Hi friends, how was your paper? Yes, students, you also ask. एग्ज़ाम होने के बाद तुम लोग पूछते ए तेरा पेपर कैसे गया? Yes, tell me, how was the paper? Yes or no? In the same way, Swaminathan is also curious. He wanted to know how was the exam of his friend. How did you find it? Sankar asked. अभी शंकर ने क्या कहा? तू बता तेरा एग्ज़ाम कैसा था? How did you find it? Swaminathan said, not bad. So, what did Swaminathan said? Not bad. इतना भी बुरा नहीं था. I was afraid only of Tamil, said Rajan. Now, I think I am safe. I think I may get passing marks. Now, what is another friend is saying? Arey bapre, I was only afraid of Tamil exam. Now, I am feeling very relaxed. I think I am going to pass in it. No, certainly more. A class, Sankar said. Now, what the another friend Sankar is saying? Okay, utna bhi kam nahi, you are going to get little more. Look here, Swaminathan said. Some fools have written a page for that moral question. Now Swaminathan, what he is saying to his friend? Look at these guys, look at these boys. They have written one full page for the last answer. I wrote only 3/4 of page, Rajam said. Now what Rajam is saying? They have written full page, but I had written only 3/4 only. So what Rajam said, I had written 3/4 of page. Student, turn your page. Page number 34. And I only a little more than half. So what is another friend saying now? Sankar. And I only a little more than half. Sankar तो बोल रहा है कि मैंने तो half से ज़्यादा थोड़ा ही लिखा. Who was an authority on these matters? Now what he is saying extra, that who have an authority, that the answer is coming and he is going on writing. I too wrote about that length, about half a page, lied Swaminathan. Now Swaminathan, हमने स्टोरी में क्या पढ़ा था? स्वामीनाथन ने कितना लिखा था? Only one single line. He had written one single line for the answer. But in front of his friends, what he is lying? That he had written at least a half page. As a slave to his conscience and believe it for a moment. What is the meaning of self? A substance that you put on a wound to heal or protect it. Now, अभी स्वामीनाथन को तो बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है. He was feeling hurted that all his friends they have written half page, more than half, 3/2. Yes or no? But Swaminathan he had written only a single line. So he was very hurted, and he as a save to his conscience. Conscience means for a guilty. What he said? Okay. I had also written a half page. So students, here we are ending up with our story. You can see here the author's name R.K. Narayan, an excerpt from Swami and Friends. So ये टॉपिक दिस स्टोरी हमारा लेसन नंबर 3 कौन से बुक से लिया है? स्वामी एंड फ्रेंड्स. So students, what you have learned from this lesson, that sometimes it may happen in front of people, in front of your friends, sometimes you lie, and that you should not do. Okay. So here students, we are ending up. The remaining part we will be completing in the next video. Okay. Read this lesson. It's very interesting, and try to read difficult words also.